To install Dynamic Island on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store. Now over here in the Play Store, you should be able to use the search option. And then in the search option, we're going to tap on the search field at the top. And then in here, we should be able to just search for Dynamic Island. And you can probably find many different apps that at least in theory should allow you to use the Dynamic Island. And in my case, I'm going to use this one. I've been using it before, and I think it's one of the better ones. But of course, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one here. So let's open the app. We need to set it up, which is actually very simple. We just need to follow all the steps that you will see on the screen. So first, we need to select apps that are going to activate the Dynamic Island. So if I go over here, I have the list of apps that I have on my phone. And you can individually pick all of these apps that should be working with the Dynamic Island, but you can also tap on all here in the upper right corner to include every app. And then we have the notification access, so we need to grant the access to notifications for the app. So if we go over here to this menu, choose Dynamic Spot, and then allow the notification access. Then here we have the draw on screen option. So if you tap over here, you want to tap on allow, and then tap one more time on the draw on screen to go next. Now here you should be able to find the dynamic spot, so let's select it, and then enable the dynamic spot here, and tap on allow. Alright, now we can tap on done. You might see this premium offer, but we can close it in the upper right corner, and there we go. If you want to, once again, manage apps that should work with the Dynamic Island, then you can go to notifications over here and choose apps, and then here we have the list again. And also we can go to position in order to take a look at the Dynamic Island, and we can adjust the size and position of the island, of course. So let's say I think that the island is slightly too low. I want to match the position of the camera. So I'm gonna move it slightly up over here. There we go. And let's make it wider. Maybe even more wider. There we go. Let's say something like that. So this is how we can, of course, customize the Dynamic Island. Of course, it might not look perfect, but you should still be able to make some adjustments. You don't have to copy the settings. It's up to you how you want to set it up. But generally speaking, this is what we can do to get a Dynamic Island on our phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.